The Samsung Galaxy M51 has finally been launched in India. The new smartphone, which debuted in Germany last week, comes with a massive 7000 mAh battery. First sale of the Samsung Galaxy M51 will take place at 12 pm on September 18 through Amazon and Samsung.com. The launch offers brings Rs 2000 discount on HDFC Bank cards for consumers. The Samsung Galaxy M51 will compete against the OnePlus Nord that is available with a starting price of Rs 27,999. Moreover, it is also likely to take on the Vivo V19 that recently received a price cut and is starting at 24,990. The phone comes in electric blue and celestial black color option with 6 gigs of RAM variant for 24,999 and for 26,999 you will get 8 GB RAM option. Moving on to the specifications of Galaxy M51, the dual SIM Samsung Galaxy M51 runs on Android 10 with One UI Core 2.1 on the top and features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display with 20:9 aspect ratio and a peak brightness of 420 nits. There is also a cornering Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the top of the display. Under the hood, the phone has an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G coupled with up to 8 GB of RAM. The quad camera setup comes with a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor with an f1.8 lens along with the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter, 5 megapixel macro shooter and 5 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies and video chats, the smartphone comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front with an f2.2 lens. The phone has a face unlock option as well as a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Samsung has provided the 7000 mAh battery that supports 25-watt fast charging and reverse charging as well. The battery is claimed to charge from 0 to 100% in 115 minutes using the bundle charger. Thanks for watching.